One day you'll thank yourself for not giving up. Protect your peace. Stop explaining yourself to people who don't want to understand. Small steps every day will take you further than big leaps of regret. Not everything deserves your reaction. Learn to choose silence. Your energy is sacred. Don't waste it proving your worth. Fear may visit, but courage stays when you welcome it. The past is a lesson, not a life sentence. Move forward. Trust the timing. What's meant for you won't need chasing. Be kind, but set boundaries. Kindness without limits becomes a burden. The best revenge, a life well lived.